I'm going to show you 6 AI tools for filmmakers. Check this out. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver all your large media files online. Sign up for MASV today and you'll get 100 gigabytes free to send all your files anywhere you want. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. Alright, AI helps to speed up and scale mundane tasks, giving filmmakers, video editors, colorists, and other professionals more time to focus on their core skill, their creativity. Let's check out the 6 essential AI tools for filmmakers that you should know about and use in your process. Izotope Neutron for audio mixing. Izotope has already released 4 versions of its impressive Neutron audio mixing software with Track Assistant and Mix Assistant, the software's 2 most talked about AI tools. Track Assistant intelligently analyzes an imported audio track and automatically comes up with custom presets that make it sound as good as possible. It works in tandem with Neutron Sculptor's Spectral Shaper feature, which applies the sonic profiles of specific instruments such as guitar, bass, or kick drum to a track for ultra-realistic sounds. Mix Assistant, on the other hand, performs a similar function across all your tracks in an audio channel. Most audio editors use these presets as a starting point and then fine-tune their work manually. So while Neutron won't typically make your audio sound perfect the first time, it does shave hours off the whole process. Runway for masking. Video masking is a way of modifying or overlaying your footage, often by cutting up the subject of your video and replacing only the background. When done right, the effect is mesmerizing, but it is also very tedious and a frame-by-frame process. Runway uses machine learning for masking and auto-rotoscoping with a single click with no cuts. All rotoscoped footage is exportable as chroma key colors, alpha channels, or video. Manual masking, though, gives you more control over the final results with options like feathering, contrast, shifting, motion blur, and decontaminating edges. Colourlab.ai for coloring. Colourlab.ai is a product offering from Hollywood-based Color Intelligence. AI features in Colourlab includes frames of interest, a tool that learns from you, and the keyframes within your footage, saving tons of time in the grading process. Its latest version, colorlab.ai 2.0, comes with even more AI features. These include AI-powered autocolor, matches camera and balances footage with one click. A Smart Match creates AI references for still images and preloaded smart LUTs. Timeline Intelligence auto-groups shots together. Advanced Camera Matching instantly color matches shots from different cameras. Deepdub.ai for language dubs. Most of us have acknowledged the awful truth that the vast majority of the traditional dub films sound terrible. That's why one of the best parts of Deepdub's offering is that it dubs in its original actor's voice, and it only needs a couple of minutes of a voice sample to do so. Deepdub can scream, shout, and generally do almost everything a real voice can. No wonder the company raised $20 million in Series A financing this past July. Descript for text-based video editing. Descript text-based video is exactly what it sounds like. It analyzes your footage, creates a text transcript, and allows you to edit the video by editing the text transcript. It is used for video editing but also works for podcasting, transcriptions, and screen recording projects. The transcript makes it simple to quickly review your film and find any big chunks needing removal, and you can remove them with one click. It's a super easy way to eliminate garbage footage of crew members smiling about sound checks, for example. It's probably wise to just use Descript to cut down your footage into manageable chunks and then a more nuanced video editor for any fine-tuning. Adobe Premiere Pro for social media videos. You may have heard of Adobe Premiere Pro. It's pretty popular. But did you know it has some pretty cool AI tools catered specifically for social media video creators? Here are some of the most impactful. Color Match. You can use this tool to instantly match colors in different video clips or enable face detection, which pays close attention to skin tones. Morph Cut. This transition tool adds visually continuity and seamless flow for interview and talking head videos full of awkward pauses. A Scene Edit Detection. This is a great tool for social media creators who need to make short clips from longer videos quickly. Instead of making a pile of manual edits, a Scene Edit Detection automatically cuts your scene for you. Auto Reframe. Reframing video into different proportions. from horizontal 16:9 to vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, for example. Traditionally, it requires keyframe motion edits, which can be tedious. This tool automatically identifies the action's focal point and keeps it visible during any change in aspect ratio. Remix. Do you have a perfect music track that's not long enough for your footage? Remix will analyze the music, find natural cut points in the waveform, and add fades to stretch or shorten the audio to your desired length. Transcription and captioning. In Premiere's Caption and Graphics workspace, you can create a transcript of your voiceover track. That transcript can also be converted into captions on your timeline. AI tools are great and all, but you still need a fast and reliable way of getting all your large files from the set to your editing suite and into whatever software you prefer. And that's where MASV can be a real difference maker. Remember to sign up for MASV so you can get those 100 GB free. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please click that like and subscribe button and toggle the little bell icon. I'll leave you now with this video over here for you to enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!